Welcome to Man Center Loop.
This is the Boulevard Express, limited stop service to Frankfurt Transportation Center. This is the Boulevard Express, limited stop service to Neshaminy Mall.
This is the Energy Station bound C Semi-Express train. This is the 8th Market bound Broadridge Spur train.
This is the G train, northbound service to Overbrook. This is the G train, southbound service to Columbus Commons.
This is the J train, eastbound service to Richmond and Orthodox. This is the J train, westbound service to Chelton and Wissahickon. This is the K train, eastbound service to Arid Transportation Center. This is the K train, westbound service to Ridge and Midvale.
This is the only Transportation Center bound L train. This is an Erdenheim bound L train. This is a Frankfurt Transportation Center bound R local train. This is a Wissahickon Transportation Center bound R local train. This is a Henry Midvale bound R local train.
This is the H train, local service to Cheltenham and Ogontz. This is the XH train, express service to Broad and Erie.
This is Line 1, northbound service to Parks Casino via Roosevelt Hunting Express. This is Line 1, southbound service to 54th and City via Roosevelt Hunting Express.
This is the 2 train, northbound service to Pulaski and Hunting Park. This is the 2 train, southbound service to 20th and Johnston Streets.
This is the 3 train, eastbound service to Frankfurt Transportation Center. This is the 3 train, westbound service to 33rd Street.
This is the Fern Rock bound 4 local train. This is the Frankfurt Transportation Center bound 5 train. This is a Fronton Market bound 5 train. This is a Frankfurt Transportation Center bound 5A skip stop train. This is a Front and Market bound 5B skip stop train. This is the Olney Transportation Center bound 6 train making express stops. This is the Cheltenham and Ogontz bound 6 train making express stops.
This is the 7 train to 33rd and Allegheny. This is the 7 train to Broad and Oregon.
This is the 8 train express service to Frankfurt Transportation Center. This is the 8 train express service to Olney Transportation Center.
This is the Express, 9 train, service to 4th and Walnut. This is the Express, 9 train, service to Andorra.
Welcome to Route 10, service to 63rd and Malvern. Welcome to Route 11, service to Derby Transportation Center.
This is the 12 train, service to 50th and Woodland.
Welcome to Route 13, service to Yedden.
This is the 14 train, local service to Neshaminy Mall.
Welcome to Route 15, eastbound service to Richmond and Westmoreland. Welcome to Route 15, westbound service to 63rd and Girard.
This is the Walnut Locust bound 16 express train. This is the Fern Rock bound 16 express train.
This is the 17 train, southbound service to 20th and Johnston Streets. This is the 17 train, northbound service to Front and Market Streets.
This is the 18 train, express service to Fox Chase. This is the 18 train, express service to Cotman and Rising Sun. This is the 18 train, express service to Cedarbrook Plaza. This is the 19 train, service to Torresdale Station. This is the 20 line express train, service to Philadelphia Mills via Keswick Line.
This is the 69th Street bound, 21, local, train. This is the Columbus and Dock bound, 21, local train.
This is the Warminster bound 22 express train.
This is the northbound 23 line train to Chestnut Hill. This is the southbound 23 line train to 11th and Market Streets.
This is line 24, northbound service to Southampton. This is line 24, northbound service to Rockledge. This is line 25, southbound service to Columbus Commons. This is line 26, westbound service to Chelton Avenue Station.
This is the northbound 27 line train to Plymouth Meeting Mall.
This is the eastbound 28 line train to Torresdale and Cotman Avenues. This is the westbound 28 line train to Fern Rock Transportation Center.
This is the eastbound 29 train to Pier 70. This is the westbound 29 train to 33rd Street.
This is the eastbound 30 line express train to 30th Street Station. This is the westbound 30 line express train to 69th Street Transportation Center.
This is the Market Frankford Line 31 train Skip Stop Express service to 69th Street Transportation Center. This is the Market Frankford Line 31 train Skip Stop Express service to Frankfurt Transportation Center.
This is line 32, northbound service to Ridge and Lyceum. This is line 32, southbound service to Broad and Carpenter.
This is line 33, southbound service to 5th and Market. This is line 33, northbound service to 23rd and Venango. Welcome to Route 34, service to 61st and Baltimore.
This is the 35 line, serving Manayunk and Roxborough.
Welcome to Route 36, service to 80th and Eastwick.
This is the 37 line train, service to Chester Transportation Center via Philadelphia International Airport. This is the 37 line train, service to Broad and Snyder.
This is the westbound 38 line train to Wissahickon Transportation Center.
This is the Richmond and Cumberland bound 39 express train. This is the 33rd Street bound 39 express train.
This is the eastbound 40 line service to 2nd and Lombard. This is the westbound 40 line service to Conshohocken and Monument.
This is an eastbound 41 line express train service to Columbus Boulevard. This is a westbound 41 line express train service to 30th Street.
This is the Wickham bound 42 local train. This is the 61st and Pine bound 42 local train. This is the eastbound 43 line express train service to Front Street. This is the westbound 43 line express train service to 50th and Parkside.
This is line 44, service to Ardmore.
This is the northbound 45 line train to Market Street. This is the southbound 45 line train to Patterson Avenue.
This is the northbound 46 line service to 63rd and Malvern. This is the southbound 46 line service to 61st and Baltimore.
This is the northbound 47 line train to Godfrey Avenue. This is the southbound 47 line train to Whitman Plaza.
This is the northbound 48 line express to Allegheny Avenue. This is the southbound 48 line express to Front End Market.
This is line 49, southbound service to 29th and Snyder. This is line 49, northbound service to 33rd and Dauphin.
This is the 50 line express train, service to Parks Casino.
This is the 51 line train, eastbound shuttle service to 15th Street. This is the 51 line train, westbound shuttle service to 30th Street Station.
This is the 52 train, northbound service to 54th and City. This is the 52 train, southbound service to 49th and Woodland.
This is the Wayne and Carpenter bound 53 train. This is the G Street bound 53 train.
This is the 33rd Street bound 54 express train. This is the 54 express train, service to Richmond and Cambria.
This is the 55 line local train, service to Willow Grove.
This is the 56 train, eastbound, service to Torresdale and Cotman. This is the 56 train, westbound, service to Baker Center.
This is line 57, northbound service to Fern Rock Transportation Center. This is line 57, northbound service to Olney and Rising Sun via 2nd Street Subway. This is line 57, southbound service to Whitman Plaza via Front Street Elevated.
This is the 58 line train, service to Bustleton Country Line via Subway Express.
This is line 59, northbound service to Castor and Bustleton Avenues. This is line 59, southbound service to Arrett Transportation Center.
This is an eastbound 60 line express train, service to Richmond and Westmoreland. This is the westbound 60 line express train, service to 35th Street.
This is the 61 line, southbound service to 8th and Market. This is the 61 line, northbound service to Manayunk.
This is line 62, express service to Andorra.
This is line 63, southbound service to Pattison Avenue. This is line 63, northbound service to Fern Rock Transportation Center.
This is line 64, eastbound service to Pier 70. This is line 64, eastbound service to 49th and Woodland. This is line 64, westbound service to 50th and Parkside.
This is line 65, northbound service to Germantown and Shelton.
This is the 66 line train, southbound express service to Frankfurt Transportation Center. This is the 66 line train, northbound express service to Frankfurt and Knights.
This is line 67, northbound service to Red Lion and Sandmire.
This is the northbound 68 line express train to UPS Air Hub. This is the southbound 68 line express train to Broad and Oregon.
This is the southbound 69 line train to Essington Avenue. This is the northbound 69 line train to Market Street.
This is the Torresdale and Cotman bound 70 train. This is the Fern Rock Transportation Center bound 70 train.
This is the eastbound 71 line train to Delaware Avenue. This is the westbound 71 line train to 24th Street.
This is line 72, northbound service to City Avenue. This is line 72, southbound service to Lindera and Harley.
This is the 73 train, northbound service to Frankfurt Transportation Center. This is the 73 train, southbound service to Richmond and Westmoreland.
This is the 74 line train to Willow Grove.
This is the 75 line train, eastbound service to Arrett Transportation Center. This is the 75 line train, westbound service to Wayne Junction.
This is the northbound 76 line train, limited express service to Chelton Hills.
This is line 77, eastbound service to Roosevelt Boulevard and Vincent Street. This is line 77, westbound service to Chestnut Hill via Jenkintown.
This is the 78 line express train, service to Cornwells Heights. This is the 78 Line Express train, service to 8th and Market.
This is the 79 line train, eastbound service to Columbus Boulevard.
This is the 79 line train, westbound service to 29th Street.
This is Line 80, express service to Olney Transportation Center. This is Line 80, express service to Horsham.
This is the North Street bound 81 shuttle train. This is the Jackson Street bound 81 shuttle train.
This is the 82 line, express service to Wilmington. This is the 82 line, express service to 2nd Street.
This is the 83 Line shuttle train, service to Cotman Avenue. This is the 83 Line shuttle train, service to Meadow Street.
This is Line 84, express service to Frankfort Transportation Center. This is Line 84, express service to Bustleton County Line.
This is the 85 Line shuttle train to Belmont Avenue. This is the 85 Line shuttle train, service to Overbrook and Cardinal Avenues.
This is Line 86, local service to Marcus Hook. This is Line 86, local service to 2nd Street.
This is the 87 Line, local service to Neshaminy Falls. This is the 88 Line, express service to Bethairs. This is Line 89, local service to Front and Dauphin. This is Line 89, local service to Arid Transportation Center.
This is the 89A train, skip stop service to Front and Dauphin. This is the 89A train, skip stop service to Arid Transportation Center. This is the 89B train, skip stop service to Arid Transportation Center. This is the 89B train, skip stop service to Front and Dauphin.
This is Line 90, express service to Plymouth Meeting Mall. This is Line 90, express service to Wawa Station.
This is Line 91, limited express service to Grateford. This is Line 91, limited express service to Philadelphia International Airport.
This is Line 92, express service to 8th Street. This is Line 92, express service to King of Prussia via Stratford.
This is Line 93, express service to Pottstown. This is Line 93, express service to Doylestown.
This is Line 94, express service to Trenton Transit Center. This is Line 94, express service to Montgomery Mall.
This is Line 95, express service to Fox Chase. This is Line 95, express service to Gulf Mills.
This is Line 96, limited express service to New Hope. This is Line 96, limited express service to West Bridge Street.
This is Line 97, express service to Chestnut Hill East via Chestnut Hill East Line. This is Line 97, express service to Norristown Transportation Center via Chestnut Hill East Line.
This is Line 98, express service to Norristown Transportation Center. This is Line 98, express service to Blue Bell via the Blue Bell Subway.
This is Line 99, semi-express service to Phoenixville. This is Line 99, semi-express service to 30th Street Station. This is Line 99, express service to Phoenixville. This is Line 99, express service to 30th Street Station.
This is the Norristown High-Speed Line local train to Norristown Transportation Center. This is the Norristown High-Speed Line local train to 69th Street Transportation Center. This is the Norristown High-Speed Line Express to Norristown Transportation Center. This is the Norristown High-Speed Line, limited service to 69th Street Transportation Center.
Welcome to Route 101, Local Trolley Service 2, Media. Welcome to Route 102, Local Trolley Service 2, Sharon Hill. Welcome to Route 103, Service 2, Ardmore Junction. Welcome to Route 104, Express Service 2, 69th Street Transportation Centre. Welcome to Route 104, Express Service 2, Westchester University.
Welcome to Route 105, Service 2, Rosemont. Welcome to Route 106, Service 2, Paoli.
Welcome to Route 107, service to Lawrence Park.
Welcome to Route 108, service to the airport.
Welcome to Route 109, Service 2, Chester Transportation Center.
Welcome to Route 110, Service 2, Penn State. Welcome to Route 111, Service 2, Chance Ford, via Penn State.
Welcome to Route 112, Service to Delaware County Community College.
Welcome to Route 113, Service to Claymont.
Welcome to Route 114, Service to Granite Run Mall.
Welcome to Route 115, service to Darby Transportation Center.
Welcome to Route 117, service to I-95 Industrial Park.
Welcome to Route 118, Service to Newtown Square.
Welcome to Route 119, service to Cheney University.
Welcome to Route 120, service to 69th Street Transportation Center.
Welcome to Route 123, Service 2, King of Prussia.
Welcome to Route 124, Express Service to Chesterbrook, via King of Prussia. Welcome to Route 125, Express Service to Valley Forge, via King of Prussia.
The end.